In this video, I will show you how you can get listed on CoinMarketCap. So to do this, go and open up CoinMarketCap and create your account if you haven't done so yet. After doing that, you want to click Get Listed in the top right. Now from here, select whether you want to get listed as a cryptocurrency exchange or page updates. I'll go cryptocurrency. And you do need to meet a few requirements. But before going into that, just follow this. So first here, select new listing, add crypto asset, or you can choose one of these other options, but I'm going to go new listing. Then here, enter your email address, then the subject field. So for example, the project's full name, symbol, and then request to add it to CoinMarketCap. Then the terms and conditions you need to agree to and marketing consent. And just go and write all of this. So what is your relationship with the project? When will it be launched or has it been launched? The country of origin, the project's name, the project ticker or symbol, crypto asset tags, the one-liner description, a detailed project description, the platform that it is on, the chain fork link to a logo, website 1, website 2 optionally, the platform of contract address, and you can see there's a bunch more questions, but you just want to fill out all of this. And the requirements to get listed you can see here. So the coin must be a blockchain-based cryptocurrency, the coin must have a unique name and ticker symbol, the coin must have a website and active social media accounts, the coin must have a GitHub repository that shows the codebase and development activity, and finally, the coin must have an active community that is engaged in its development and growth. So as long as you meet all of these 5 requirements and submit a request, you should be eligible to get listed on CoinMarketCap. So now you know how to get listed on CoinMarketCap. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.